Welcome guys, me playing with Zero from Storm Squad. Today I'm going to show you another way to record your videos to put on YouTube or whatever. So today we look at this app called Everplay. Everplay is an app where you can show your videos you just made from a game and can show them the world. So as you can see here, these are a lot of games. You can replay your videos or put it on Everplay. And if you let's look at Crossy Road or Geometry Dash. Geometry Dash. If you think this game is awesome, you can install it and join the community or post a comment. Like here we have already some videos of it. And if you like it, you can, do it. So here are also some videos from it. I can show you a game I have. Like Terraria, I know you can do this. I have done it on Terraria before. On any kind of game you like, you can download it and then play it. Yeah. Let's see, here. Let's go to Balloon TD Battles 5. Let's just load. There's still a Halloween update, but as you can see, if I just play a game, let's just, play one game, and easy. You see this button here, record button. This records your video. This here just records your video. And if you're finished or whatever, I don't know, let's say something happens, then you have this video. Look, you have this video. Like on the beginning I said, just upgrade it. I just upgrade, my Dart Monkey. And here you gotta record it. You can share it on Everplay. From there, you can use, sound or whatever. But this is like a community. You can record your screen and put it on Everplay. So as you can see, that's what you guys can do to, record some videos. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Like I said, look up a game you want to play. You can record it and show the world on Everplay. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Leave a like down below. And yeah, see you in the next one. Bye.